Alright guys, so we're in a, what is this, Nissan Rogue. We're doing the air filter. There's the part number. That's the air filter for the AC. I'm just going to give you a quick heads up on how to do it. There's a go, lights on. Alright, we're going to get up in here underneath the glove box basically. And you got this little white contraption right here. Pull it out. Boom. Pretty easy to get to. The air filter is right up in here. Just kind of reach in there and grab a handful of it. Pull it out. No big deal. The airflow is going this way towards, from the front to the back of the car. Get your new filter out. Put airflow on the side. So we want that to go that way. From the front to the back. Get this lined up in here. Oh, it's being a pain in the butt. Never really just slide in, do they? Slid out nice and easy. Kind of a two-hand job too, so I'm trying to do all this one-handed. Alright, let me get my two hands on that. We're going to slide that in. Alright, once we've got it all the way up in there, I'm going to grab this white piece again. And we're just going to line up the bottom. And it just slides right in. Oh, that is if you got everything in there, right? There we go. Slides right in, boom, clicks into place. It's that easy. It's kind of a pain in the butt to get that filter in, but once you get it lined up right, it slides right in, no problem. Alright guys, that helped you in any way, shape, or form. Give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Peace.